Hi, I'm Aksh, and today I'm going to be demoing Screenwriter, our own AI agent for creating and telling stories as we see fit. So, what's powering it is one writing engine, which is an agent that's specifically been instructed to write a story as our user directs, and a critic agent, which is going to sequentially provide feedback to our writer. So, let's see how this works in reality. So, in this case, I'm going to say, Hi, uh, can you help me write a short story with a moral? Thanks. So it takes a few seconds to load the story, and then, as you see below, a story's already been drafted. So first it comes up with the first draft. I'm not going to fully go over it, but you guys are happy to look over it later. And then once this first draft is generated, this is automatically passed into a second agent, in this case, Joe, who is providing feedback in this original story that we have just generated. So as you can see, there's some very actionable inputs that Joe is providing to Kathy, which is basically just telling her to, focus on the introduction, build up the events, and really pay attention to like small things that could potentially make a big change into her life, or not life, into her story. So then we generate a second draft, I'm incorporating a lot of those suggestions, and then ideally your story looks better. And then once again, this is passed back to our original agent who is starting to think that the story is starting to come together. Now, of course, backing all of this is some clever prompt engineering alongside some standard GPT calls. So as you can see, we create two agents, one of whose name is Kathy, and who's telling people short stories with a moral in this case. And then basically, Joe, who's the critic, just asks Kathy to start telling the story. And as we see here, this is exactly the story that we were seeing on the other page, but just as a rendered example to see like how this actually comes into fruition on the backside. So it's really exciting stuff. We're excited to like keep playing with this and taking it to new heights. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thanks.